Gonna make a quick dessert. Not really sure where I'm going with it, but I do know I want to use an apple and a pear. Only because I've been trying to get rid of these apples forever. Apples is one of those things that stay around literally for months before they actually go bad. Okay. Ooh. It out good. All right. That's the core out of that. Now we're going to rip the core out of this one. All right. Next, I'm going to dice these up. Keep them in solid pieces, but I'm going to cut them down a little bit. Oh, that's the core. Don't need that. Now I'm going to take this over into a pot. I'm going to throw it in, let it simmer for a little bit, add some a few other ingredients, and then we're going to go to the next phase. I'll be right back. Okay, normally I would use this in a saucepan, but since I've got so little of this, I'm just going to put it in here. On low heat. Now, where's my ingredient? I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar. I'm sorry, not vinegar. Lemon juice. Not very much. Next, I'm going to add a little nutmeg. A little cinnamon. And some vanilla extract. That's a little bit too much. Someone took my top off. Okay. And we're going to cook this. Oh God, this smells so good. We're going to cook this until this gets nice and tender. And remember we talked about thickening agents? Yes. Cornstarch is one of them. Now we're just going to let this sit here and simmer until they get nice, soft, and tender. Be right back. I almost forgot the brown sugar. Made a complete loop. Tighten you down a little bit more. There you go. Wow, this smells really, really good. All right, I'm gonna let it simmer a little bit longer. I changed my mind. I'm going to continue with this, but I'm going to use this instead of using, I was going to use dessert cups, but I changed my mind. So let me get these ready. Hello, hello. Okay, so I made this video, and when I went to go upload it, I realized the whole back end was missing. So the part where I actually made the sundae was missing, so I'm going to redo it. You take a biscuit, make sure it's hot, either fresh or you made it the day before. If you made it the day before, put it in the oven or microwave to make sure it's nice and hot. Make sure you squish it down real nice. What we're going to now take is some of this good old pear. Look at that. That's apple pear with cinnamon in its own glaze. We're going to take some of this. We're going to put it right on top of that biscuit. Like we don't got no sense. Then we're going to take a scoop of ice cream. Or 2 scoops. Ooh, come on, ice cream. Put as much or little as you prefer. Make sure it's all covered up. All right. See that? Now, we're going to take some more of this and put it right on top of that. Now, if you want to, you put a little bit more ice cream. But I'm not going to put too much more ice cream because I got something else I'm going to put on top of that. You know it. Now look at that beautiful thing. This is my cinnamon apple pear strawberry shortcake. Cooking that apple cinnamon, you can taste the cinnamon and that weird apple pear combination. But you know where I'm trying to get to, right? Trying to get some of that biscuit, which is down at the bottom. This is something I've never tasted in real life. I mean, it's just going out to the store and getting it. Oops. Get a little bit of that. That ice cream with a little bit of that biscuit on the bottom. In combination with this, come here, where you going? Make this an absolutely mouth-watering treat. Look at this. That is absolutely delicious. Yeah. Now, if you're diabetic, you can replace the ice cream with Greek yogurt. Do the same thing. But the problem is, got that biscuit that's full of starch. So this is not the exact healthiest thing if you're diabetic. But if you're not, go straight for it. This is a good 8.5, 9. Add for a dessert treat. Wow. All right, family. Take care of yourself. Eat long. Stay happy.